So let's now discuss the common skin ailments and their remedies. We'll start with acne. It's the most prevalent skin ailment. Acne starts when the pores in your skin get clogged with oil and dead skin cells. Although acne remains largely a cause for adolescents, but about 20% of adults also suffer from acne. What are the common natural acne remedies? Green tea compresses, diluted apple cider vinegar on the face, spot treatment with tea tree oil, and aloe vera to be used as a moisturizer. Now we move on to wrinkles or aging skin. For most, wrinkles develop between the age of 40 and 50 as skin loses moisture and thickness. Genetics also play a big role in the development of wrinkles. What are some of the natural remedies for wrinkles? Aloe vera, drink aloe vera, apply aloe vera, and use a banana and avocado face mask on the face. Eczema. Eczema is a term for a group of medical conditions that cause the skin to become inflamed or irritated. What are some of the natural remedies for eczema? Colloidal oatmeal baths, diluted apple cider vinegar applied on face, aloe vera gel, coconut oil. Include more greens in your diet. Psoriasis. Psoriasis is a common skin disorder that produces thick red plaques covered with silvery and white scales. What are the natural remedies for psoriasis? Epsom salt baths, avoid fragrances at all costs, cut back on dairy, take turmeric as a supplement on a daily basis. Rosacea. Rosacea is a common disorder that mainly affects the skin on the face. It causes redness on the nose, chin, cheeks, and forehead. What are some of the natural remedies for rosacea? Aloe vera to be applied topically, chamomile tea compresses, coconut oil, green tea. You can drink green tea, you can apply it as a compress, apply an oatmeal and turmeric face pack. And finally, we come to the last skin ailment, pigmentation. Pigmentation refers to the coloring of the skin. Skin pigmentation disorders cause changes to the color of your skin. Melanin is made by cells in the skin and is the pigment responsible for your skin's color. Hyperpigmentation is a condition that causes your skin to darken. This can affect patches of your skin or your entire body. Age spots, also called liver spots, are a common type of hyperpigmentation which we see on many people's faces. What are some of the natural remedies for hyperpigmentation? Powdered masoor dal and rice and licorice powders to be used as face pack. Apply aloe vera gel as a moisturizer. Drink aloe vera juice daily. Apply tomato paste on the skin. Dilute apple cider vinegar compresses. Green tea and black tea compresses work equally as well.